Welcome to the top best. The best Coldest Drinking Town Machine is probably one of the most essential appliances for any modern household, offering unparalleled convenience and efficiency in keeping your beverages perfectly chilled and readily available, ensuring you never have to settle for a lukewarm drink again, especially during those hot summer days or after a long workout, making it a true game changer for hydration and refreshment. Number 5. Takeya Tritan Cold Brew Coffee Maker. Discover the easiest way to make delicious cold brew coffee at home. This pitcher is designed for simplicity and convenience. Enjoy peace of mind with its airtight seal and leak-free lid. Your coffee stays fresh and secure, wherever you take it. Crafted with BPA-free Tritan material, it ensures your beverage is safe. The silicone handle provides a comfortable, non-slip grip. Cleanup is a breeze as this pitcher is completely dishwasher safe. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your brew. Create your favorite cold brew right in your kitchen with this 2-quart pitcher. It's the ideal size for daily enjoyment. For the best experience, please refer to the user guide before your first use. It contains important information for optimal results. What we like. This pitcher offers a generous 2-quart capacity, perfect for making cold brew in batches. Its airtight and leak-free lid ensures freshness and prevents spills. If you're looking for a simple, large-capacity solution for your daily cold brew needs, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The tea tastes perfect, exactly as it does with a perfectly steeped hot tea, but with cold brewing it somehow doesn't get bitter when you leave the tea in too long. It stays perfect, so it's even easier than brewing hot. Easy to clean and use, coffee tastes great, not going back to buying pre-made. This brewer does create sediment. Is it a problem? No. And if you want even less sediment, just use a coarse ground, and let the brewer sit another day longer. Grinding the coffee yourself in a hand grinder will give the least sediment, if done properly. Number 4. Godinger Whiskey Decanter Globe Set. Looking for the perfect gift for the man in your life? This elegant decanter set is sure to impress. Hand-blown with an etched globe design, this decanter enhances your drinking experience. It's a bold statement piece for any bar. The set includes a decanter and 2 matching old-fashioned glasses, all fitted onto a stained wood tray. A gold stopper adds a touch of class. With an 850 milliliters capacity for the decanter and 300 milliliters for each glass, it's perfect for spirits. It can also be used for water, juice, or iced tea. This set is not just functional, it's a great conversation starter at any gathering. It's a gift that keeps on giving. Godinger has been specializing in handcrafted giftware since 1973. You can trust their quality for any special occasion. What we like. Elevate your home bar with the stunning hand-blown decanter featuring an etched globe design. It comes with 2 matching glasses, making it a complete set for enjoying spirits. If you appreciate fine craftsmanship and want to impress guests with a unique conversation starter, this decanter set is ideal. What people say. The decanter itself is beautifully crafted. The globe design is elegant and sophisticated, making it a perfect centerpiece for any home bar or display shelf. The etching on both the decanter and the glasses is intricate and adds a touch of class to the set. The quality of the materials is excellent. The decanter has a solid, weighty feel to it, and the glass is clear and sturdy. The 4 glasses included in the set are also well made, with the same high-quality etching that complements the decanter perfectly. It's modern, as a display looks amazing. I get lots of compliments. Number 3. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy, snow-like ice right in your kitchen with this electric shaved ice machine. It's perfect for making all sorts of frozen treats, from margaritas to iced coffee. Set up your very own icy treat station at home. This countertop machine is designed for easy use and cleaning, and it's portable for convenient storage. This kit includes everything to get started: the machine, 3 delicious syrup flavors, cups, straws, pourers, and ice molds. You can use cube ice, bagged ice, or make your own ice blocks. Each syrup bottle makes about 8 snow cones, and the whole kit can create up to 24 servings. You can easily adjust the flavor intensity to your liking. It's simple to operate and stores away easily. Plus, the syrups are allergy-friendly, shelf-stable, and don't require refrigeration, offering a great value and peace of mind. Beyond shaved ice, these flavors can enhance cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. Give your favorite drinks a new twist with these versatile options. What we like. Create your own frozen treats with this electric shaved ice machine kit. It comes with everything you need to get started, including 3 popular syrup flavors and cups. If you love snow cones, margaritas, or other icy concoctions and want a fun, easy-to-use machine for parties or personal enjoyment, this is perfect for you. What people say. The ice shaver is awesome. When you use the molds, it comes out soft and fluffy, absolutely perfect, and grinds very smoothly. This machine is durable and works flawlessly. Number 2. Bartesian Premium Cocktail Machine 55300. Introducing the Bartesian, the revolutionary way to create delicious craft cocktails right in your own home. Forget measuring and pouring, simply insert a capsule, choose your strength, and press mix for a perfect drink in seconds. Our expertly crafted capsules, developed by master mixologists, bring your favorite drinks to life. Enjoy classics like margaritas and old fashions with ease. Experience the variety of a fully stocked bar without the clutter or expense. You only need to provide your favorite spirits, and we handle the rest. Maintaining your machine is a breeze with automatic and manual cleaning cycles, plus dishwasher-safe parts. This ensures every cocktail you make tastes fresh and delicious. Our recyclable capsules are filled with real juice concentrates and extracts, dated for optimal freshness. Enjoy premium ingredients in every single drink. Elevate your home entertaining with the ultimate cocktail experience. It's the simplest way to impress your guests and enjoy sophisticated drinks. What we like. Experience craft cocktails at home with this intelligent cocktail machine. Simply insert a capsule, select your strength, and press mix for perfectly balanced drinks. If you desire a wide range of bar-quality cocktails without the hassle of stocking multiple ingredients or complex preparation, this machine is a game changer. What people say. We have had no issues with the controls or operations of the machine. We have enjoyed a wide variety of cocktails during the year, and they have been wonderfully made. It is very easy since the machine has a clean cycle in the menu. Using a cleaning solution will remove any bacterial buildup and will ensure adequate flow is occurring from the water well. The difference between the professional grade and the basic Bartesian is that the professional grade allows you to use 4 different liquors: gin, rum, tequila, vodka, whiskey. So for a few bucks more you can make almost any drink you want to make. Number 1. The first year's Disney Pixar Cars Toddler Straw Cup. Get ready for exciting adventures with this fun toddler cup. Featuring beloved Disney Pixar Cars characters, it's perfect for little fans. No more messes. This cup features a spill-proof design with a flip-top lid. Keep drinks contained, whether at home or on the go. The built-in straw makes sipping easy and enjoyable for your toddler. It's designed for comfortable use, promoting independent drinking. Designed for toddlers 18 months and up, this cup is easy for small hands to hold. It holds 10 ounces of their favorite drink. Made to last through all your child's adventures, this cup combines durability with the magic of Disney Pixar Cars. It's a fun way to stay hydrated. What we like. Keep your little one happy and dry with this spill-proof toddler straw cup featuring a fun Disney Pixar Cars design. The flip-top lid is easy for small hands to operate and prevents leaks. If you're a parent looking for a durable, leak-proof, and engaging cup for your toddler aged 18 months and up, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The machine is very quiet and efficient, producing ice quickly. Easy to set up and operate, with a user-friendly interface. The compact design fits well on my countertop without taking up too much space. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.